For someone that's been arrested for a first-time DWI offense in Travis County, they may be eligible for a relatively new program, and that program is what we refer to as the DWI Pretrial Diversion Program. And not everyone that's been arrested for DWI is going to be eligible for that program. There's various requirements that you have to meet just to be able to even apply. For example, there cannot have been a collision involving another person. No one could have been injured. Your BAC cannot be over a .20. And you cannot have had any prior DWI offenses on your record, even if that case had been dismissed. So if you apply to pretrial diversion and you are accepted, and that's something that I work with all of my clients with, we work on completing their application together, doing everything we can to put their application in the best possible position so that when we submit it, that they have the best possible chance of being accepted into the program. And if my client's accepted into the program, there is an agreement in place to where my client agrees to do certain things. And if they do those things that they promise to do, the county attorney's office promises that they will dismiss their DWI case. And typically, the agreement will call for my client to do various alcohol counseling, stay out of trouble, no new arrest, and it will also require my client to obtain some type of alcohol monitoring device. And it can be an alcohol monitoring device of their choice, and to maintain that monitoring alcohol device for up to a year. And the various alcohol monitoring devices could be an ignition interlock device in their vehicle. It could be what we call a PAM, or a portable alcohol monitor that they blow into several times a day. Or most people aren't going to pick this, but it could be the SCRAM device. That's an ankle monitor that monitors someone's alcohol intake. And if my client is good on not having any violations on their alcohol monitor, and they stay out of trouble and they do their counseling, the prosecution would dismiss my client's case. And that's not the only benefit of having your case dismissed pursuant to pretrial diversion. There's also another benefit. Texas law allows for an immediate expunction of a case that's been dismissed pursuant to a qualifying pretrial diversion program. So while some people may have their case dismissed for whatever reason, there's typically at least 2 year waiting period on that. But if you have your case dismissed pursuant to pretrial diversion, a successfully completed pretrial diversion, you're immediately eligible for expunction.